Welcome to the decoding attempt of a padlock that was sent to me by SasPes. Yeah, I've just finished the unpacking video and now I want to see if I can get open this three-wheel combination padlock. So put this all to the side and let's focus on this combination padlock. So yeah, I pull on the shackle and turn the wheels. I feel resistance now and then, and it's all zeros. Ah, okay. So let's try that again. Yeah, I think I can change the code like so. Feels strange, it stops. Oh no, I think I've messed it up. Okay, let's see if all zeros still works. If not, then I have to decode it to the closed state. Oh, it does work. So this video is going to have some unexpected turns. So I think I have to really push hard on this shackle. Does this now work? Yeah, now it works. Now it works to change the code. Check that I have the wheels set to a number, not in between. Okay, now I think we are good to go for a decoding. Okay, so feels good here. I'm constantly pulling on a shackle currently, so this is loose and oh, that's binding a lot. 5 seems to be a pretty wide gate. Not binding at all. I think it has false gates. And I can feel the shackle coming in and going out, and 6 seems to be a pretty wide gate. And I think we are done. So the middle wheel is the last binder, and I think we are getting an opening very, very quickly. And here we go. So, pretty fun lock, I have to say. Not too difficult because the true gates have very wide gaps, are very wide, and it's an easy lock to decode. Yeah, pretty fun lock nonetheless. SasPes, thank you very much for sending it to me, and everybody else, thanks a lot for watching. Happy picking and decoding. Cheers and bye bye.